Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Air is expected to launch in September 2025 as an ultra-thin, lightweight addition to the iPhone lineup, designed for those who prioritize sleek design over powerhouse features. The iPhone 17 Air is set to balance innovation with trade-offs. Here is a recap of the most talked about features. At just 5.5 mm at its thinnest point, the iPhone 17 Air will be Apple's slimmest iPhone yet, emphasizing portability and elegance. The device will feature an OLED screen with support for Face ID and dynamic Iceland, offering a modern visual experience. A 120Hz refresh rate will ensure smoother scrolling and enhanced responsiveness, a first for a budget-oriented, ultra-thin model. While less powerful than the A19 Pro chip found in higher-end iPhone 17 models, the A19 will still offer excellent performance and Apple Intelligence support. 8 GB of RAM, this upgrade will enhance multitasking and optimize the device for AI-powered features. Single 48 megapixel rear camera. The main camera will deliver high-quality photos, but without the versatility of additional lenses found in Pro models. 24 megapixel front camera, a capable selfie camera for clearer and more detailed photos. Single speaker, the iPhone 17 Air will include just one speaker located in the earpiece, foregoing the bottom speaker to achieve its ultra-thin design. eSIM-only design, the device will abandon physical SIM cards globally, signaling Apple's full transition to eSIM technology. An Apple-designed 5G modem, improved connectivity with Apple's in-house 5G modem, optimizing speed and efficiency. Now, what are the trade-offs? While the iPhone 17 Air introduces a stunning new design and advanced features like ProMotion and a high-resolution camera, it does come with some compromises. The single-speaker, smaller battery, and absence of SIM card slot may be a concern for some users. However, the iPhone 17 Air is shaping to be a compelling choice for those who prioritize style and portability. Are you excited about Apple's slimmest iPhone yet? Now let me know in the comment section below.